So we took the pulled the boat out of the shed, and we got to this point where it's sitting out here in the driveway, which is a much better place to be working on it. Had it hooked up to the hose, and got started up fine, ran fine, no problems. But then when I was playing around here, this coolant hose, which, okay, so this is water comes, I believe, we got a bunch of hoses here, but this one here comes from the, I think this comes from the impeller, and then from here goes, yeah, I'm not sure, but basically backwards. It ends up coming backwards from here, so this will be backwards of here, and then I'm not sure if it comes up through here and then out that way. But regardless, these never got warm. There was absolutely no heat in here, and these exhaust manifold risers were just crazy hot. Which they should not be crazy hot, because there should be water flowing into it, and they should get warm, but they really shouldn't get hot. So kind of went through that and realized that there might be something wrong. So kind of figured, since I knew we had water, I don't have it hooked up, I got it cleaned up, but I had the muffs, those were sitting on it, and so pulled it off, which is so much fun. Love going backwards on this stuff, but kind of had a suspicion that there might be something wrong with the impeller, and pulled everything apart, pulled the top half of the outer drive out and split it, lifted that guy off of there, no problem, and lo and behold, that little key is sitting there. So yeah, this thing was spinning, and shaft was spinning, and the impeller was doing absolutely nothing. The other kind of clue, yeah, there's a little bit of oil kind of blowing out of there, but let me think, what was it looking at? Okay, eventually the water, if you can see it, that hole there on the right is where this little chimney fits into that and blows water. I kind of figured there would be some leakage, and there might be some moisture in there, of which there's not. And then eventually, once it goes up through that passage there on the right, eventually it takes a 90 and it passes through this port, and that looks so dry. So yeah, right there, totally dry. So I kind of figured there was nothing going on.